Hacer. Okay, hacer is usually translated to do and to make. But as we know, everything depends on the context, and we see why. Yo hago, tú haces, él, ella, usted hace, nosotros, nosotras hacemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes hacen. And the uses to indicate activity or an action, to indicar una actividad o una acción, hablar del clima, talk about the weather, and expresiones idiomáticas. So just expressions, right? Por ejemplo, yo hago la mayoría de mis clases en la mañana porque no me gusta trabajar en la noche. En Cusco hace frío usualmente en las mañanas y en las noches. Durante la tarde no hay frío, pero no hace mucho calor. So, I do most of my classes in the mornings because I don't like to work at nights. In Cusco it's cold. Cusco is cold usually in the mornings and at night. During the afternoon, it's not cold, but it's not too hot either, right? So as you can see, I can say hay frío, like we saw an example of I. We can also say hace frío. Let's see now expressions with hacer. Hacer daño is to hurt someone or something, like an animal. Las personas que hacen daño a los animales no pueden ser buenas personas. So people that hurt animal cannot be good people. Hacer las maletas is to pack. Carlos hace muy mal las maletas. Carlos pack their suitcase, pack in general, very bad. Hacer buen o mal tiempo. Hacer buen tiempo is good weather. Hacer mal tiempo is bad weather. So, hace mal tiempo hoy. The weather is bad today. Hace frío, calor, fresco, viento. So, it's cold, it's hot, it's cool, it's windy. Hace viento en mi ciudad en octubre. So, it's windy in my city in October. Hacer sol also means it's sunny, like hay sol, remember? They both mean the same. Hace sol or hay sol, it's sunny. Hace mucho sol en la playa. It's very sunny in the beach. Hacer trampa is to cheat, but not to cheat someone like in a relationship, like cheat your spouse or your boyfriend, girlfriend, is to cheat in an activity. Like, for example, a game or an exam. So, ellos hacen trampa cuando juegan póker. They cheat when they play poker. Hacer la compra, to go grocery shopping. Hacer la compra means specifically to go grocery shopping. Cuando hago la compra con mis hijos, siempre gasto más de lo normal. When I go grocery shopping with my kids, I spend more than normal. Hacer ejercicio is to do exercise or to exercise. Mi boyfriend, mi novio y yo hacemos ejercicio juntos. My boyfriend and I exercise together. Hacer ruido is to make noise. Esa máquina hace mucho ruido. That machine makes a lot of noise. Hacer reír is to make laugh. Este payaso no me hace reír. This clown doesn't make me laugh. Hacer la cola, to make a line. Estas personas hacen la cola para entrar al cine. These people are making a line to enter the movie theater. Hacer preguntas is to ask questions. Okay? Hacer pregunta, ask questions. Los niños hacen muchas preguntas. The kids ask a lot of questions. La niña hace una pregunta que no puede responder. Que no puedo responder. The girl ask a question that I cannot answer. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my videos. That really helps me to create more and better content. I invite you to join the Spanish Language Hub, which is absolutely free. Here, you will have access to several resources, including unedited videos, audiobooks, exercises, flashcards, and regular interaction with me. We will also have Q&A and conversation sessions live on Zoom twice a month. Again, all of this 100% free. I look forward to see you there. Adios.